freehealthbook.com and get your free book today.
This is a test of the EAS system. This is only a test.
Thunderstorm warning for Dallas and Ellis County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas and Ellis counties until 11:30. Severe thunderstorms are located near Midlothian and in southern Dallas County, southwest Dallas County, moving to the northeast at about 45 miles per hour. These storms are going to be affecting Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Glen Heights, Novilla, also Lancaster and Red Oak a little bit after 11 here. Wilmer Hutchins area by 11:10, and also Trumbull, Pecan Hill, Joe Pool Lake, Sand Branch, Mountain Creek Lake, and Griffith. Also sections of I-35E, Interstate 20, I-45, and Interstate 30. This is part of a line of thunderstorms involved right now from Denton County all the way down to Hillsborough. Once again, severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas and Ellis counties until 11:30. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Operation Storm Watch on WBAP. The National Weather Service issuing new severe thunderstorm warnings now for Rockwall, Dallas, Ellis, and Kaufman counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman County, Ellis County, and southeastern Dallas County until 12:30. A line of severe thunderstorms is located near Balch Springs, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. The storms contain mainly 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and small hail. Once again, severe thunderstorm warnings issued for Rockwall County, northwestern Kaufman County, northern Ellis County and southeastern Dallas County until 12:30. A severe thunderstorm located near Balk Springs along the Dallas-Ellis County line, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Gusty winds up to 60 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Chambers and Harris County. It is scheduled to continue until 2:51 a.m. To repeat, the station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service due to a severe thunderstorm warning for Chambers and Harris County in effect until 2:51 a.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert